Hello everyone, welcome back to my studio. Today we are going to paint an abstract bunny. To paint the bunny, I am going to sketch it first. If you are an expert, then you don't need to sketch it. I am placing the bottom part of the bunny first, then I will place the head. Because if I paint the head first, then I may have some trouble to adjust the body in this small paper. The paper is a cellulose one. It is a cheap paper, but I love the texture of it. Now I have already sketched the bunny in a rough way, and now I am placing the ears. The ears and the face proportion should be there, and then I will sketch the eyes. The eyes are the most important part of the face. I will paint the eye quite bigger because I want it to be cute. I want a cute bunny. Now I am just darkening and doing some little adjustment here and there, putting the tail behind, and I think it is almost done. To paint the bunny, I will use basically cool colors like indigo with a little bit touch of violet. I will first paint the outline so that I don't go outside the outline with the paint. I am painting wet on dry. I will not concentrate too much on the blending of the paint. I will just put it and just blend it with a moist brush. To give the back of the bunny a round shape, I will make the bottom part of the bunny's back with darker color. I will put more layers there, and as I gradually go upward, the layers will be minimum and with diluted paint. I am painting the head with same color but with very diluted strength. I am painting the boundary of the ears with little bit concentrated indigo. I will paint the curve of the hand with indigo and later on a little bit of neutral tint. This is the third layer for the tail area specifically. It is just thick indigo. For the inner part of the ears, I will take some queen red and then I will blend it with clean moist brush. If you don't have queen red, then you can use any pink you have. Now I am putting some neutral tint for the folds of the hands, and I will also put it in the tails, and then I will make the eyes. Giving some random dots here and there and 2 or 3 small whiskers. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.